Hi, Susan here. Okay, I'm gonna give away this figure form, dress form, size 8, and talking about all of its features, everything about it, and don't worry about it. I know it's wrapped, That's what's next. So I was going to do this in January, so I actually wrapped this entire thing and put it in this box for the giveaway. And life kind of happened, so it didn't happen then. And I know you're going to want to see this dress form, so I'm actually going to unpack it and then pack it for the winner, and that's what we're going to do right now. So there it is. I took it out of the package. You can see this now, and it's a wonderful dress form. And let me talk about all the features of this dress form. So this is Figure Form Dress Form Company from South Africa. This is their tailor friend or their starter type of dress form for new designers, seamstresses, dressmakers, and I think even stylists would love this dress form because it's so anatomically correct. As you can see, the body is awesome. It's one of the things I love so much about it. It is somewhat pinnable, so you can literally drape with it if you need to. It has an adjustable height so that you can make it go up or down. It's extremely lightweight because it is a polyurethane mold, and it has a nylon spandex coating or covering that's sewn over it. It has a stainless steel neck plate, it has stainless steel arm plates, and it has, like I said, that anatomically correct body. This is the size 8 dress form and a great starter dress form, which is why I think it'll be great for my new subscribers and the people following me, because I talk all about fashion design, and I think this will be perfect for you guys. So this is going to be the giveaway for the month of June. And I have measurements so you can see on the bust. This is a size 8. So in inches, it is 33 inches at the bust. It is 26 inches at the waist. And it is 36 inches at the full hip, which is one of the things I love so much about it. The measurements are great. You can still pat it if you need to, but otherwise it still is a very good dress form. It has a stainless steel rod that holds up the dress form. It is height adjustable. It has a stand that is epoxy coated. It is very stable, it is very fun, and like I said, also very lightweight. This dress form will be available for this giveaway that I'm doing this entire month. So who am I? Well, if you're new to my channel, my name is Susan Eliza. I'm a fashion designer for over 30 years in the industry, as well as taught university level fashion design at a university. I've always wanted to teach, and when that teaching gig subsided, I decided I was going to put out as much information as I could for free. All the quality information that I have learned as a fashion designer and a couturier trained designer. So I put everything on the fashion design YouTube channel and pretty much didn't take it seriously till about 3 years ago, where I have put my full effort into making content so that I can create a platform for fashion designers to learn everything about fashion design from me. I have an extensive channel with over 120 videos at this time with playlists to help you navigate, and I just want to encourage and to inspire and to train new and upcoming fashion designers. So that's what my channel is all about. That's what my mission statement is, and I wanted to then just extend it to this giveaway. Okay, so to participate in this giveaway, you must first read the official rules, which will be in the description box, as well as my website. Then you have to go on my website or Etsy and make a purchase. Every $3 purchase will be 1 entry, so I suggest that you get things that are like my downloadable sloper set, or my PDF downloadables, t-shirt, which I'm wearing here. And you can get 3 entries from this alone because this is $9.97. Anything on my website or Etsy will do. This is for US residents only, guys. I love all of you guys, but I can only do that at this time. So it'll be for the US residents only. And it'll be for 1 month from today. And then I will contact the winner privately to get the shipping details and ship this to you, the winner, in 1 month. You can see I have a video on this figure form, dress form, to go into more detail about it, as well as their top end dress forms that I have here as well. So you can understand and know why I believe in this product so much, but I think it'll be great for you new followers. You also need to subscribe and put the bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Follow me on Instagram, which will also be Susan Elias Couture. And let's see who wins this dress form and have fun with this. Let me know in the comments you want more of this, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.